the poem I wrote called Summer Nostalgia. In a golden haze of a summer's day, where sun-kissed meadows gently sway, and trees dance in a gentle breeze, birds sing melodies of warmth and ease. While distant laughter echoes through the air, they are free without worries or care. The stars shine bright over the city lights. In this cool summer night, a sense of peace washing over you. As the night sky paints dark shades of blue, a simple excuse love to bring loved ones together. The auras of love lifting us up as light as a feather. In celebration, we gather by the fire, cooking s'mores to satisfy our desire. Colorful fireworks dance amongst the stars in the sky, lighting up everyone's faces on the 4th of July. Sparkling as far as they fly, many people gather to stare, delighted in awe with an amazed glare. Paradise, where worries fade. Apart from your phone, it's just you admiring the sunset while savoring your favorite ice cream cone.
Yay!